In this video, we will cover replacing the modular power supply in a London chassis. First, unplug the unit and remove the lid. The power supply is located near the front of the unit. Locate the supply and remove the two Molex connectors that connect the supply to the main board. Next, remove the 4 Phillips screws that attach the supply to the chassis. Now you can remove the old power supply. Place the new power supply in the chassis and attach the 4 Phillips screws. Connect the two Molex connectors to the main board. Now test the power supply by plugging in the power and make sure the unit powers on. And then you can replace the lid. For more information, go to www.bssaudio.com.